Unit 3, Chapter 4, Subject Name Soil and Water Conservation Engineering, Subject Code Golden Rules of Soil and Water Conservation Engineering. Hello, learners. Every economic entity must present its countering to all its stakeholders. The information provided in the agriculture must be accurate and present a true picture of the entity. Countering. The process of locating these contour lines on the surface of the earth is known as countering. The method of establishing plotting contour in a plan or map is known as countering. It requires planimetric position of the points and drawing of contour from elevation of the plotted points. Contouring involves providing of vertical control for location of points on the contours and horizontal control for planimetric plotting of points. Thus, contouring depends upon the instrument used to determine the horizontal as well as vertical position of points. Counterbunds. Counterbunds, also known as counterbunding, are a form of micro-catchment technique and are a very simple and cheap form of water control. The bunds are created thanks to several digs closely spaced and placed along the contour lines. There are also small earth ties perpendicular to the bunds that subdivide the system into micro-catchment. Contour bunds are very similar to the NEGRIM in that it aims to slow down runoff and improve water infiltration in the soil. For this reason, contour bunds are often associated with the cultivation of crops, fodder, or trees between the bunds. Counterbunds also help to control soil erosion. Counterbunds for tree planting is suitable for arid and semi-arid areas with rainfall rates between 200 and 750 mm. Graded bund. When a grade is provided along the bund for safe disposal of runoff water over the area between two consecutive bunds, they are called graded bund. Graded bund are adopted in case of high or medium annual rainfall less than 600 mm or relatively less permeable soil areas. Graded bunds are designed to dispose excess runoff safely from agriculture field. Vine erosion. Vine erosion is a common cause of land degradation in the arid and semi-arid grazing land of inland Queensland. It is one of the processes leading to desertification. Significant vine erosion occurs when strong wind blow over light texture soil that have been heavily grazed during periods of drought. Vine erosion is also a natural process. The large parallel sand dunes in southwest Queensland, including the Simpson Desert National Park, are the result of vine erosion and deposition over thousands of years. These dunes are constantly moving, and roads and track can be covered by drifting sands in only a few hours. Maintenance. Because there is typically no sure thing in erosion control, it's important to continuously check on the measures you have put in place, particularly that when it rains. You should be able to spot areas that may need additional reinforcement or need a new plan altogether. In order to have the ability of the erosion control measures, try to regularly clear out silt that has built up around silt fencing or drainage